Okay, I'm trying something new, ladies and gentlemen, and this so happens to be the Medion, the older Mona Lisa. She's mature and she's beautiful. This is the younger Mona Lisa. Now, this image in here, I want you guys to understand the song's going to start real short. And I've never wrote down a word. It's all by what's in my heart. This is Leonardo Da Vinci. Looks like Santa Claus, and this is Melzi hanging onto a white dog and his eye and the nose. You have to see how his eyes glare across into the universe. He's on Earth looking at his lost soul, his love. And so this is what the song is about. It's about the lost painting of Leonardo da Vinci. It is about his love of the Mona Lisa. It's about his missing of his loved one and the love in which they shared and the things they've done. And they know. So I'll be pointing and cutting in and out, and I may be singing, and then I might say a couple words in between, and then start again. And for you not to be upset, I'm going to use the ghost microphone. So here we go. Melzi with his heart missing his loved one. Even though you're so far away, you're here in my heart and always will stay. I will keep my eyes agaze for you. I hunger for you every day, and may God give us the way. And that's why you painted the Last Supper. Forever it will shine for the world to know that you are mine, and that my heart is in bind because you're away from me at this time. I gaze away and see that you are in the universes, and that the things we shared are within our hearts and minds that we painted all the time. I have a doggy in between the love of your dreams that you called me Medion, meaning my best boyfriend, and that is what we were. The best of all of them. Romeo and Juliet couldn't handle a candle to us, and that I share to you, my YouTube, for you to learn what I have hidden within the works of all my life, and that I share with you, my friends. Let me give you a teacher to show you what I've hidden. So I beg of you to know that I have never met you souls, but I truly love you all, and I will always so. So remember, no matter where we are, I got memories of near and far, and that because it's so, I say to you, you are better than gold. The universe is full of all the hidden treasures that you've made, of all the God-giving gifts, and the love of all the children you have helped raise. I give to you my heart, I give to you my soul, because God has promised me that I am protected through Jesus Christ. and through Him, thy supreme guide. And that's the best I can be. I'm not a songwriter or a singer, but I am giving you a metaphor of the love in which I know He laid upon the door. So God bless you all, and may you all be safe. And that I have to say, subscribe to my YouTube, please. May God bless the whole world, the universe, and the heavens, and amen to you all.